The sun gives us plenty of light. But sunlight is not the only light we get from nature. Sometimes lightning lights up the sky. But why does lightning occur? When sunlight warms the air, an upward current is created. The warm air is cooled by the colder air above, and clouds are formed. These are called cumulonimbus clouds. The small water droplets inside these clouds are carried further upward by the air currents and turned into ice pellets. In cumulonimbus clouds, the wind is very strong, and the ice pellets crash into each other violently. The friction caused by these collisions creates static electricity. The smaller ice pellets take on a positive electrical charge, and the larger pellets take on a negative charge. Eventually, the larger pellets sink lower and the smaller pellets drift higher in the cloud. That means that a negative electrical charge builds up below, while the positive charge gathers above. Normally, electricity doesn't pass through the air. If the electrical imbalance is large enough, the negative charge moves toward the positive charge, trying to restore balance or an electrical discharge. When this occurs, the electrons in the air are accelerated by the electricity and collide with molecules of nitrogen and oxygen, generating both light and sound, or thunder and lightning. Electrical discharges occur between clouds and the ground as well. When a negative electrical charge builds up in the lower part of a cumulonimbus cloud, a proportional positive charge gathers on the ground. Then, an electrical discharge occurs between the cloud and the ground. That's a lightning bolt. Let's look at the path that light takes when a lightning bolt strikes. A very fine light branches off and heads toward the ground, seeking out the path where electricity can flow easily. When a branch approaches the ground, it connects with a positive electricity on the ground, and all the electricity surges upward, creating a lightning bolt. Most people think that lightning bolts come from the sky and strike the ground, but in fact, they travel from the ground to the clouds. With lightning always comes thunder. The light reaches us in an instant, but sound takes more time. If you hear thunder 3 seconds after the lightning strikes, since sound travels at 340 meters per second, it means that you are about 1 kilometer away from the lightning. Lightning is actually caused by electricity that builds up inside of clouds. It's over in an instant, but nature takes its time creating this exciting phenomena.